Government Employee Federation YUMBU OIDUNA CHATLIBA April की तारीख 29 AMADI 19 FAOBA NUMIT NINI CHUPNA RAJASTHAN की UDHAIPUR City दा PANGTHOKPA All India State Government Employee Federation की National Executive Council NEC की Meefam Mapung Fana Pangthoktuna Ngarang Loisinkhare tongan by state singi mihut signa sarukya kiba Meefam aduda manipur gi oina purujit lairik yengbam Senior Vice President MGSF L Ishorjit Sharma Vice President and Sanjip Singh Executive Member CH Dhirendra Singh Advisor MGSF AMADI K Herojit Singh Secretary Administration MGSF na sarukya ki loinana AISGEF के President Subhas Lamba General Secretary A Sri Kumar na maru oiba mitum oiduna sarukya ki numit ini ki Meefam aduda Trade Union Banking Services Insurance Company Public Sector Undertaking sing yauna national level gi thakta lakliba mathangi thagi megi tarik kungi atoba khongjang changba haina lepnaki khongjang asigi maru oiba demand sing the implementation of the 8 pay commission restoration of the old pension scheme review and implementation of the 4 labor Court AMADI clearance of due DADR ni Meefam aduda saruk yakiba Manipur Government Employee Federation ki Senior BP Purujit lairik yengbam na phongdokibada pangthokliba Meefam adu mapung faba Meefam ama oiki loinana maru oiba wadep kyasu lauduna matam kuina degi tanduna lakpa demand sing fangnaba hotnaragani haiba wafam phongdoki